Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna create a quick in-depth review about this AI model photo, which is generated photo. So let's quickly dive into it, and here's a common breakdown. The generated photo is an AI image library that specializes in creating realistic, worry-free model photos for project in 2025. Instead of dealing with stock photos, license headache, or hiring real model, you can generate lifelike face scenes that you fully own and use for website, ads, social media, mock-up, and branding. The pros include the huge diversity in age, ethnicity, styles, ultra-realistic image quality, easy search, and the download tools, which is one of the straightforward licenses that lets you use photos without constant legal check. On the flip side, AI-generated faces can sometimes feel slightly too perfect or familiar, and specific niche look like real ethnic features or highly specialized fashion pose, which might be harder to nail without tweaking prompt. So that's why I also include the occasional uncanny valley results, limit on free download, and fewer editorial styles or dynamic action for big stock libraries. So in my opinion, I actually think the generated photo is worth using in 2025 if you want high quality, easy to license model image, very fast. It's very great for marketers, designers, and content creators who need or who want worry-free visual without the legal or logistics hassle of traditional photos. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review. You're welcome.